Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter, where I help to make mathematics accessible, engaging, and approachable through various forms of content, including articles, infographics, videos, and email newsletters. In this video, you will learn how to use the substitution rule to solve definite integrals. For more information about this topic, please refer to the article linked in the description. In this video, we will evaluate the integral from 0 to root pi of 2x cosine of x squared dx. To begin, we let u equals x squared. Our differential is then du equals 2x dx. Our new limits are 0 squared equals 0 and root pi squared equals pi. Substituting into the integral gives us the integral from 0 to pi cosine of u du. Integrating gives us sine of u from 0 to pi. Applying the fundamental theorem of calculus, we obtain sine of pi minus sine of 0. Evaluating this expression, we obtain 0 minus 0. Subtracting, we arrive at a final answer of 0. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.